Hello everyone, welcome to Tech channel. This is Alex. In this video, I will quickly share with you ChatGPT and how to access it. And what is ChatGPT? It is a computer program. It was launched last November 30, 2022. And actually, it is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. The developer is OpenAI and the original author is OpenAI also. You may access it through openai.com, the website. You see here OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company. Its mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. After you click that, you will see the logo of OpenAI here, and at the bottom under featured you may find the ChatGPT and also DALL-E, Whisper, Alignment, Startup, and Pricing. You may explore all of them if you want to learn further, and just click the ChatGPT. This window will open after you click that. ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialogues. Just here, we have trained a model called ChatGPT which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. You may click this Try ChatGPT. After that, this window will pop up. This is a free research preview. Our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our system and make them safer. While we have safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading and produce offensive or biased content. It is not intended to give advice, so please be aware of this. It says here as a disclaimer, some misleading information or produce offensive or biased advice or content. We have to be responsible before we officially share information that is being generated by AI. So you may click next. It says here how we collect data. It is important to note here, please don't share any sensitive information in your conversations. And see here, conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our system. So you may click next, and this system is optimized for dialogue. Let us know if a particular response was good or unhelpful. Then you may click done. And the window will pop up here. We have three columns here: examples, capabilities, limitations. We will emphasize on limitations also. Just an example here: explain quantum computing in simple terms. So just a sample question that you may type here at the bottom here. And capabilities remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. Okay, so allows users to provide follow-up corrections. Trained to decline inappropriate requests. And we have limitations here: may occasionally generate incorrect information, as we have mentioned earlier, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. And you may type your questions here. What is, for example, I type, what is ChatGPT? Let's see what will pop up. And here, my first question: what is ChatGPT? And this is the answer. You may observe that there is a like and dislike buttons over there. And I'm planning to regenerate response. So with the same question, I click regenerate response, and let's see what is the response. Alright, the response is different from the first one, but the essence is there. And there is a save and submit button. When I click that, it goes to this window here that we already discussed. We have the examples, capabilities, and limitations. See, new chat again. Then you want to clear conversation, you can do that by clicking this delete icon there. And when you have another question, type it here. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. I do hope you learned something from this video. If you want to support this channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.